Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into a deep and mysterious topic: astrology, a practice with thousands of years of history. Astrology is much more than just a belief or entertainment tool. It's a guide to understanding how the universe and the planets influence our lives. So, what exactly is astrology? Simply put, astrology is the study of how the positions of the stars and planets at the time of our birth shape and impact our lives. Throughout history, astrology has helped civilizations connect with the universe and seek answers to the big questions of life. Today, many people view astrology as just fun or entertainment. But it's far more profound than that. It's a way for people to connect with the universe, find guidance in their lives, and sometimes find comfort. In this video, we'll take a comprehensive look at the basics of astrology, its history, and the ways it influences our lives. Astrology has ancient roots, stretching back thousands of years to some of the earliest civilizations. It was practiced by the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks, each contributing to its development and shaping its modern form. The origins of astrology can be traced to Mesopotamia, where early skywatchers observed the movements of the planets and stars, believing that these celestial bodies could influence life on Earth. In ancient Babylon, astrologers began creating detailed star maps and aligning the positions of the planets with earthly events, laying the groundwork for the practice we recognize today. As astrology spread to Egypt and Greece, it became more refined. The Egyptians introduced the concept of sun signs, while the Greeks, especially philosophers like Ptolemy, developed the zodiac system, dividing the sky into 12 distinct signs. The Greeks also tied astrology to the concept of fate, viewing the movements of celestial bodies as guiding forces that shaped human destiny. Throughout history, astrology was often intertwined with religion, philosophy, and science. During the Middle Ages, astrology was practiced by scholars and became an important part of the medical and spiritual knowledge of the time. However, with the rise of the scientific revolution in the 17th century, astrology began to be viewed with skepticism and was separated from mainstream science. Today, astrology is still widely practiced, albeit in a more modern form, and continues to influence many areas of life, from personal guidance to cultural trends. Its history shows us that the desire to understand our place in the universe and seek answers from the stars is as old as human civilization itself. Astrology is built on several key concepts that help interpret the connection between the cosmos and human life. Let's take a look at some of the fundamental elements of astrology. The zodiac. The zodiac is one of the most recognizable aspects of astrology, consisting of 12 signs, each representing a different personality and set of characteristics. The signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Each sign is associated with specific traits and is linked to one of the four elements: fire, earth, air, and water. The elements. The four elements, fire, earth, air, water, play a vital role in astrology by defining the nature of the zodiac signs. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, are energetic, passionate, and dynamic. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, are practical, grounded, and reliable. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, are intellectual, communicative, and curious. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, are intuitive, emotional, and sensitive. The planets in astrology. The planets represent different aspects of our personality and life experiences. The most significant planets are the Sun, the core self, identity, and ego. The moon, emotions, instincts, and subconscious. Mercury, communication, thinking, and learning. Venus, love, beauty, and attraction. Mars, action, drive, and energy. Jupiter, growth, expansion, and abundance. Saturn, structure, discipline, and lessons. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, generational influences, transformation, and higher consciousness. Houses. In astrology, the sky is divided into 12 segments, known as houses. Each house represents a different area of life, such as relationships, career, and home. The positioning of planets in these houses reveals how different aspects of your life will manifest. For example, the first house represents your outward behavior and self-image, while the seventh house relates to partnerships and marriage. Ascendant, sun, and moon signs. While most people are familiar with their sun sign, the zodiac sign based on their birth date, astrology also considers the ascendant and moon signs for a fuller picture of a person's astrological makeup. The sun sign represents your core identity and life purpose. The moon sign governs your emotional nature and subconscious. The ascendant or rising sign reflects how you present yourself to the world and how others perceive you. Each of these elements helps form the foundation of your astrological profile, creating a unique map of your personality, challenges, and potential life path. Understanding how these elements work together can offer profound insights into who you are and why you act the way you do. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore how astrology works and how astrologers interpret the movements of celestial bodies to gain insights into human life. The birth chart, natal chart. The foundation of astrology is your birth chart, also called a natal chart. This is essentially a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment and location of your birth. It maps the positions of the sun, moon, planets, and other astrological points. Each of these positions is significant, offering insights into your personality, strengths, challenges, and life path. The birth chart is divided into 12 segments called houses, each representing different areas of life. The planets in each house influence how you experience these aspects of your life. For example, if your Mars is in the 10th house of career, it suggests a strong drive and ambition in your professional life. The sun, moon, and rising signs. While your sun sign is the most commonly known and represents your core essence, astrology also emphasizes your moon sign and rising sign, ascendant, for a more complete picture. The sun sign indicates your basic identity, purpose, and ego. The moon sign governs your emotional world, instincts, and subconscious. The rising sign shows how you present yourself to the world and how others perceive you. It acts as the mask you wear in social situations and can influence first impressions. Together, these three signs, sun, moon, and rising, give a fuller understanding of who you are, combining your conscious self, emotional nature, and outward persona. Planetary transits and aspects. In addition to your birth chart, astrologers also look at planetary transits, the current positions of the planets as they move through the sky, and how they form aspects with the planets in your birth chart. Transits show how the ongoing movements of the planets affect you over time. For example, a transit of Saturn over your natal sun might bring a period of hard work and responsibility, while a Jupiter transit could signal growth and opportunities. Aspects, on the other hand, are angles between planets that influence how their energies interact. For example, a square aspect, 90 degrees apart, often indicates tension and challenges, while a trine aspect, 120 degrees apart, suggests harmony and ease. Understanding the impact of transits and aspects reveal the timing of significant events and themes in your life. Astrologers analyze these to predict opportunities, challenges, and life cycles. For example, a major planetary transit could indicate a period of personal growth, while another might signify a time of transition or challenge. Astrologers study these patterns to offer guidance, helping you understand the flow of energy in your life and how to make the most of each period. Astrology as a tool for self-discovery. Ultimately, astrology works as a powerful tool for self-awareness and personal growth. By examining your birth chart and understanding the effects of transits and aspects, you gain a deeper understanding of your life's journey. It can help you identify your strengths, uncover hidden talents, and navigate challenges more effectively. Astrology isn't just about predicting the future. It's about understanding the deeper influences at play in your life, empowering you to make more informed decisions and align yourself with the cosmic energies around you. As we come to the end of our journey through the fascinating world of astrology, remember that the stars have been guiding us for centuries, offering us insights into ourselves and the universe. Whether you're new to astrology or have been studying it for years, there's always something new to discover. Astrology isn't just about predicting the future. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of your inner self, the world around you, and your place in the cosmos. It's a tool for self-awareness, a way to unlock your potential, and a source of guidance in times of uncertainty. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the stars are not just far-off lights. They're part of an ancient and powerful system that connects us all. The answers you seek may be written in the stars. Are you ready to uncover them? Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights from the universe. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.